Okay, Waka, so we're at journal page 40, solving equations by factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. Factoring polynomial steps. Step 1, find the greatest common factor GCF. Step 2, factor ax squared plus bx plus c using a reverse box method. All right, let's take a look at the first example. All right, example 1, factor the expression x squared minus 30x plus 56. All right, so first off, first term goes here, last term goes here. Now, to get x squared, we know that x times x gives you x squared, okay? Now, we need to multiply and find out what numbers multiply to give you 56 and combine to be negative 30x, okay? So, since to get a positive number here and a negative number here, you have to multiply two negative numbers. So, negative 1 times negative 56 is positive 56. Okay, negative 1 minus 56 is negative 57. That doesn't work, so now let's try negative 2 times negative 28 equals positive 56. Negative 2 minus 28 equals negative 30. So our factors are x minus 2, x minus 28. Okay, let's make sure this works. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 28 times x is negative 28x. This combines to be negative 30x, so this works. So our factors are x minus 2 times x minus 28. All right, go ahead and finish up example 1. All right, example 2. Okay, so first term, last term. Now, these two terms need to combine to be 29x. Now, to get x squared, we know x and x makes x squared. Okay. Now, we need to find out what numbers multiply to give you 120 combined to be 29. So 1 times 120 is 120. 1 plus 120 equals 121. That doesn't work. So now let's try 2 times 60 equals 120. 2 plus 60 equals 62. That doesn't work. So now let's try 3 times 40 equals 120. 3 plus 40 is 43. That doesn't work. Okay, so now let's try so 4 times 30 is 120. 4 plus 30 is 34. That doesn't work. So now let's try 5. 5 times 24 equals 120. 5 plus 24 equals 29. So that worked. So our factors are x plus 5, x plus 24. Let's make sure this works. X times 5 is 5x. 24 times x is 24x. That combines to be 29x. So our factors are x plus 5 times x plus 24. Okay, go and finish up example 2. Let's take a look at example 3. All right, so first term x squared, last term negative 32. These need to combine to be 4x. So now we need to find out what numbers multiply to give you negative 32 combined to be 4. Since the middle number is positive, the bigger number is positive. So negative 1 times 32 is negative 32. Negative 1 plus 32 equals 31. Okay, that doesn't work. Negative 2 times 16 equals negative 32. Negative 2 plus 16 is 14. That doesn't work. 3 doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Negative 4 times positive 8 is negative 32. Negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, so that works. The factors are x minus 4, x plus 8. Well, let's make sure this works. Negative 4x, positive 8x, that combines to be 4x, so this works. So the factors are x minus 4 times x plus 8. All right, go ahead and finish up example 3. All right, example 7. Now to solve, we need to move everything to the left side. So we're going to add 84 to both sides. So you get x squared plus 31x plus 84 equals 0. Now, x squared means 2 parentheses. We know that x and x makes x squared. Okay, now we need to figure out what numbers multiply to give you 84 combined to be 31. So 1 times 84 equals 84. 1 plus 84 is 85. That doesn't work. 2 times 42 equals 84. 2 plus 42 is 44. That doesn't work. All right, now 3. Let's see, 84 divided times 28 equals 84. 3 plus 28 equals 31. So that works. So that's x plus 3, x plus 28. Okay, so x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 28 equal to 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. X equals negative 3. Subtract 28 from both sides. X equals negative 28. All right, let's take a look at example 8. So again, to solve, we need to move everything to the left side. So we're going to add 56 to both sides. So you get x squared minus 18x plus 56 equal to 0. Now, 2 parentheses. We know x and x makes x squared. Now we need to figure out what numbers multiply to give you 56 combined to be negative 18. Since this number is positive, that number is negative, we have to multiply two negative numbers. So negative 1 times negative 56 equals 56. Negative 1 minus 56 equals negative 57. That doesn't work. Let's try negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 28 is positive 56. Negative 2 minus 28 equals negative 30. That doesn't work, but let's keep going. 3 doesn't work, so let's try 56 divided by 4. So negative 4 times negative 14 equals positive 56. Negative 4 minus 14 equals negative 18. So our factors are x minus 4, x minus 14. So x minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 14 equal to 0. Add 4 to both sides. X equals 4. Add 14 to both sides. X equals 14. All right, go and finish up example 8. Example 10. Now, example 10, everything's on the left, so we can go straight to factoring. We know that x and x makes x squared. Now we need to figure out what numbers multiply to give you negative 10, combine to be negative 9. Since the middle number is negative, the bigger number is negative. So 1 times negative 10 is negative 10. 1 minus 10 is negative 9. So our factors are x plus 1, x minus 10. X plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 10 equal to 0. Subtract 1 from both sides, x equals negative 1. Add 10 to both sides, x equals 10. All right, go and finish up example 10. All right. Last example, example 15. The area of a rectangle fountain is x squared plus 21x plus 20 square feet. A 3-foot walkway is built around the fountain. Find the dimensions of the outside border of the walkway. All right, so the dimensions of the outside border of the walkway are, so we have to factor x squared plus 21x plus 20. Okay, so, and that is the area. So area equals, so we're going to factor that, 2 parentheses, x and x makes x squared. Now we need to find out what numbers multiply to give you 20, combined to be 21. Well, 1 times 20 is 20. 1 plus 20 is 21. So our factors are x plus 1, x plus 20. So we're going to plug in 3. So that's 3 plus 1. Now, remember, area of a rectangle is length times width. So this is the length equals 3 plus 1 is 4. And then the width equals 3 plus 20 equals 23. So the dimensions are 4 and 23. All right, go ahead and finish up your example. Start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.